Namaskar. Welcome back to BST News. This is Jayashita Reddy from Telangana State. Let's have a quick look on headlines. Staff of Bharat Scouts and Guides celebrated Diwali at national headquarters. BST Foundation Day and Flag Day celebrated at Pan India level. Vigilance Awareness Week observed by the members of East Central Railway, East Coast Railway, North East Frontier Railway, and South Eastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Nagaland and NF Railway State contributed to Clean India project by organizing cleanliness drive at various levels. Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka, North East Railway, NC Railway, NF Railway, Sikkim and South Eastern Railway observed Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Jayanti and Rashtriya Ekta Divas by participating in Run for Unity rally and other related activities. COVID vaccination camp organized by Assam and NF Railway State. Four members of Palwal district of Haryana State BSG donated blood on National Unity Day. Raichuru District Association of Karnataka State BSG celebrated Kannada Rajyotsava Day. Workshop on online youth membership system organized by Bharat Scouts and Guides Cuttack district of Odisha State. Second residential basic training course for Scout Masters and Guide Captains conducted by Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Eco-friendly Diwali awareness campaign organized by Eastern Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan organized by Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. News in brief. National news. On 1st November 2021, the staff members of the Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters celebrated Diwali festival in a grand manner at National Headquarters, New Delhi. Family members of some of the staff members were also present. The Honorable President and Honorable Chief National Commissioner were also present with some of the other officials. 71st Foundation Day of Bharat Scouts and Guides celebrated with grandiosity. Various programs were organized across the country on this occasion. In this continuation, Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides organized blood donation camp in which 71 units of blood is collected. Apart from this, cycle rallies, cultural programs, various types of competitions and flag stickers are being presented to the distinguished guests and dignitaries. Vigilance Awareness Week observed by the members of Bharat Scouts and Guides Northeast Frontier Railway. Alipurduar Division of NF Railway observed Vigilance Awareness Week from 26th October to 1st November 2021 with the theme Independent India at 75 Self-Reliance with Integrity. Tinsukia District Association performed a Nukkad Natak and an awareness campaign against faulty practices at DRM office building premises Tinsukia on 27th and 28th October 2021 in presence of Honorable DRM TSK, ADRM TSK and all branch officers and staffs of Tinsukia Division. Dibrugarh District Association organized an awareness program at Banipur Railway Station on 29th October 2021 with the cooperation from Banipur Station staff and officials. Mariani District Association performed a Nukkad Natak and an awareness campaign against faulty practices at Mariani Railway Station on 29th October in presence of railway officials and staff. Katihar District organized awareness program at Katihar on 27th and 28th October 2021. Local print and electronic media covered all the programs. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Under Clean India project and to celebrate a happy and healthy Deepavali, Rangers of NF Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides, Newborn Goigaon District Association organized a cleanliness drive at Paglastan Market Newborn Gaigon on 30th October 2021. On culmination program of Clean India project by Nagaland State Bharat Scouts and Guides, NYKS and NSS, the additional Deputy Commissioner of Kohima flagged off the program on 30th October 2021. The Scouts and Guides of Muluki Secondary School, Sikkim State Bharat Scouts and Guides observed National Unity Day on 31st October 2021 at their own school by organizing and participating in different activities. On 31st October 2021, Headquarters District Association of NF Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides observed Rashtriya Ekta Divas by participating in Run for Unity rally and performing a meme show in presence of Honorable Patron and General Manager NF Railway and other officials of NF Railway at NF Railway headquarters premises. London District Association along with officers RPF, RPSF staff observed Rashtriya Ekta Divas National Unity Day and celebrated 146th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The district also organized Fit India and Clean India Movement project. Bharat Scouts and Guides Northeast Frontier Railway Tinsukia District Association along with the Railway Administration of Tinsukia Division observed Rashtriya Ekta Divas, the National Unity Day on 31st October 2021 to commemorate the 146th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The NF Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides in JP District Association successfully organized vocational training of Mehendi art on 28 October 2021 under the leadership of Ms. Naina Thapa and Ms. Kabita Saha, including other leaders of the district art. Raichuru District and Local Association of Karnataka State Bharat Scouts and Guides and Gurukula Vidya Kendra celebrated Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Jayanti and National Unity Day on 31st October 2021. Sri Balram Krishna, President, was present on this occasion. The Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka State Raichuru District Administration, Department of Kannada and Culture, Urban Council and Public Education Department celebrated Kannada Rajyotsava Day on 1st November 2021. Dr. Avinash Menon Rajendra, District Collector, was present on this occasion. The Rovers and Rangers of Government College, Dharmashala, rendered their services in one-day seminar on 29 October 2021, organized in Government College of Dharmashala. The seminar was based on contribution of youth in upliftment of Indian culture and social values. Bharat Scouts and Guides Himachal Pradesh State Headquarters organized an online webinar on basic scouting information in Maharaja Agrasen University on 29 October 2021. 357 youth participated in this webinar. Rovers and Rangers of Himachal Pradesh Bharat Scouts and Guides went to slum area in Kullu district on 29 October 2021 to educate young children and made them aware of studies. The members of Mountaineer Rover Open Group and Government College Solan visited Himgiri Kalyan Ashram Shilli under Ticket of Life campaign on 31st October 2021, where the unit gathered the interested scouts of the hostel and gave general information about scouting like the beginning rules, duties and methods of scouting to the students. A cycle rally was organized by Northeastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides Bereka district on the occasion of National Unity Day on 31st October 2021. North Central Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides celebrated birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel on 31st October 2021. Scouters, guiders participated in the Run for Unity. On the occasion of National Integration Day, 54 members donated blood in the blood donation camp organized by the Bharat Scouts and Guides Palwal district at GVM Rudhi. On 27th October, in the premises of Dr. Kupchand Baghel Government Higher Secondary School, Silyari Block, Darshivan, Raipur, on the fifth day of Kishore Utsav, Unit Leader and Block Secretary Shri Mukesh Bokar gave information about prevention of sexual violence and POCSO Act to all the Scouts, Guides, Rovers and Rangers. On 27th October, plastic was collected under the mission of Plastic Free India, Clean India, Green India and Government Higher Secondary School, Amora, Raymond, District Janjgir, Champa. A rally was also organized for public awareness in which 40 scouts and guides participated. Bharat Scouts and Guides block Darsiba district Raipur organized a hike-on cleanliness campaign under Clean India Mission on 28 October 2021 from Government Higher Secondary School Siriari to village Pathri, in which 82 Scouts, Guides, Rovers, Rangers participated from various schools of Raipur district. Scouts, Guides, Rovers and Rangers rendered their services during the hike and organized cleanliness campaign in Tarisar village, awareness rally in village Siliari, cleanliness of temple premises in village Pathri, etc. On 30th October 2021, Government Higher Secondary School Guma Darshivan Local Association Darshivan District Raipur organized a public awareness program by cleanliness campaign and spread the message to reduce single-use plastic. 30 guides along with Srimati Manisha Vaikar, guide captain, participated in the program. 87 Scouts, Guides, Rovers, Rangers of Bharat Devangan Government Higher Secondary School, Kharora Local Association, Tilda, District Raipur, organized Swachh Bharat Abhiyan at Nagar Panchayat, Kharor on 31st October 2021. Various districts of East Central Railway, East Coast Railway and South Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides observed Vigilance Awareness Week. Workshop on online youth membership system organized by Bharat Scouts and Guides Cuttack District Association of Odisha State on 30th October 2021 at district headquarters. 50 unit leaders participated in this workshop. Bharat Scouts and Guides East Central Railway Danapur District Association celebrated the National Integration Week. Street play was organized at Patna Junction and Rajendra Nagar Station on 30th October to make the passengers aware. The Bharat Scouts and Guides Odisha State Association conducted second residential basic training course for Scout Masters and Guide Captains from 28th to 30th October 2021 at State Headquarters Bhubaneswar. A team of 25 members of Bharat Scouts and Guides East Central Railway Danapur participated in program of All India Railway Protection Force Kabaddi Championship 2021 held at Patliputra Rail Complex, Digha on 30th October 2021. The members of Azad Group Bojdi of South Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides Adra District Association rendered their COVID vaccination services at Health Center Bojdi. As Diwali signifies the victory of good over evil, and as the festival of lights, the rover crew and ranger team of officers Colony Group Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides Kanchrapara District Association celebrated this occasion of lights eco-friendly in their locality by distributing more than 250 diyas in a cloth bag at Ghatak Road area and Nichu Basha area on 28 October 2021. Enhanced light also signifies purity, goodness, good luck, and power. They also spread awareness through posters to stop bursting firecrackers as the pollution in the country rises to dangerous level. They planted trees to ensure the supply of oxygen for the next generations because without trees, the existence of human life as well as other species on earth is impossible. On the occasion of National Integration Day on 31st October 2021, various programs were organized by Danapur Division and Bharat Scouts and Guides East Central Railway. The oath of unity and integrity towards the country was administered. A cycle rally was also flagged off by the divisional railway manager on this occasion. Run for Unity was also organized in which 55 Scouts, Guides, Rovers, Rangers, unit leaders and district officials participated. National Unity Day observed by Kudra Road District East Coast Railway State Association. Rashtriya Ekta Divas observed by the members of South Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides Adra, Chakradarpur District Association, Prabhat Ferry, oath taking in Karnataka were organized on this occasion. 24 guides of Kendrapara district, Bharat Scouts and Guides Odisha state distributed dry food to people at Government Hospital Kendrapara, Odisha on 1st November 2021 under SDG goal number 2. On the occasion of Dhanteras on 1st November, a lamp decoration competition was organized by Sarojini Naidu Open Group of Bharat Scouts and Guides East Central Railway, Danapur. The cleanliness campaign was organized by the Scouts of Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides District Araria on 1st November 2021 at district headquarters Araria, in which dozens of scouts along with their unit leaders collected garbage and plastic from the district headquarters premises and destroyed it and made environment clean and green. COVID news. COVID vaccination camp organized by NSS unit and IQAC of Jawaharlal Nehru College BOCO in collaboration with BOCO, PHC, FRCU, and Amrit Prabha Ranger team for the college students and teachers at college campus on 29th October 2021. The Bharat Katsangat of Railway Badarpur District Association organized its 38th COVID-19 vaccination drive at District Scout Hub Badarpur on 1st October 2021. On the achievement of 100 crore COVID vaccination, a mass rally was organized by Scouts and Guides of Shahid Ram Kumar Yadav Government Girls Higher Secondary School, Kanher on 28 October 2021. COVID awareness camping organized by Cuttack and Nuapada, District of Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides by distributing masks to the people. Forthcoming events. Scouts of World Award Discovery Workshop, Messengers of Peace. For more details, refer NHQ Circular number 146 2021, dated 1st November 2021. Asia Pacific Leadership Award 2023 for Unique Leaders, District State Commissioners, Service to Girl Guides and Girl Scouts, Guide Wing. For more details, refer NHQ Circular number 145 2021, dated 28th October 2021. Work Readiness Skill Weekend Program in November 2021. For details, refer NHQ Circular number 142 2021, dated 21st October 2021. Call for volunteers, State UNICEF Team Leader. For more details, refer NHQ Circular number 141, dated 19th October 2021. National Level Environment Awareness Program. For more details, refer NHQ Circular number 140 2021, dated 14th October 2021. Course for Assistant Leader Trainers Guide Wing. For more details, refer NHQ Circular number 139 2021, dated 13th October 2021. This is all for today's news. This is Jayashita from Telangana State, signing off.